Hi guys, it's Mason and this is my first video. And I have my friend here.
Hi, I'm Ethan and we'll be doing Pokemon and other games like Roblox and Minecraft in future videos.
Yep. And today we're gonna be building this Avengers Lego set. And yeah. Hi. This is Avengers Hulk Helicopter Rescue Set, and here we have everything laid out here. We got bag number 1, 2, 3, and yeah, and we got the stickers, and you can see what it looks like when it's gonna be finished. Yep, and
Pretty much that's it.
Yep. So we finished bag number 1. We finished this dragon and that guy flying that little plane. And here are the results. Here's the dragon we made. You can like roll its tail and stuff, open its mouth, and like move its wings. And then we have this thing, which is like, I don't know what it is, but it kind of looks like a hoverboard a little. And my favorite thing about this set was like this, the purple Iron Man. And we have these two guys, but we still have to finish the helicopter because we haven't really worked on it a lot, but this is what we have finished. So yeah. We finished bag number 2, and this is what it looked like when we finished bag number 2. And leave your comments below if it's hard to put the stickers on in the right place. Leave your comments below. And we still have to do bag number 3. And yeah, that's it. Guys, we have finished the helicopter, and this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna show you some things when I finished it. It had some cool things I wanted to show you. And first one is that these guns right here can shoot, and if you pull that front like this, like hold on, it's kind of hard, but like that. They come out. And the next thing so if we have this Hulk, and if we flip this over like this, you can put him on the bottom. Let me show you. Like that, you can put him on the bottom of the helicopter. And when you want to fly with him, so you see this right here. This is how you. I'll show you what it does though. It makes some drop off from the helicopter, and yeah, and that was one character from bag number 3, and here's the other character from bag number 3 that we got. And yeah, that's all the things I have to show you on this plane.